How to enable Tesla Dashcam recording and save money on insurance. Tesla Model 3 insurance inexpensive. Simply by recording dashcam videos you can save on insurance. You can now record and store video footage captured by your car's forward-facing and rear cameras onto a USB flash drive. Configure your USB flash drive by formatting in the FAT32 Windows or MS-DOS FAT file architecture. Insert a USB driver into your Mac or PC. Format it by right-clicking on it. You must format it in FAT32 Windows or MS-DOS FAT file architecture. Add a base-level folder in the flash drive called TeslaCam. Insert configured USB flash drive into either of the USB ports in the front row. When properly configured, the dashcam icon will be displayed in the status bar with a red dot indicating that it is recording. Note: the USB must be plugged in while driving to record. Tap the icon to save a 10-minute video clip or press and hold to pause recording. Tap the icon to view recording via Launch Viewer. Note that you can view all 5 camera in dashcam recording. Recordings not downloaded after an hour will be deleted. Be sure you have sufficient space on your flash drive to allow for saving. Each minute of video recorded uses approximately 30 megabytes. The 1-hour circular buffer requires 1.8 gigabytes of free space. Dashcam is only available for Model S and Model X cars manufactured after August 2017, and all Model 3 cars. Hashtags Tesla Dashcam save insurance. How to enable Tesla Dashcam recording and save money on insurance.